I cut the flowers off the orchid stem, a trick an old gardener taught me. The result? Twice as many blooms. When the flowers on my orchids start to wilt, I use pruning shears or scissors to remove them. Then, I treat the stem with a single kitchen ingredient. I take a jar of cinnamon and apply a bit to the cut end of the stem. Cinnamon has antifungal properties, helping the stem seal nicely and encouraging new shoots to grow. If the stem was diseased, it prevents mold and fungus from spreading. Cinnamon also keeps the stem from drying out. After a few weeks, new buds and flowers start to appear on the branches. Cover your plants with stockings. You'll save your plants. Look for old stockings or tights. If they're torn, don't throw them away anymore. Use them for your plants. If you have potted plants at home, you surely take care of them and nurture them. Household members and guests probably admire them. Even small children are interested in them. If you have a cat at home, you take special care of the plants. Cats love flower pots and the soil in them. When you have plants at home, you can avoid many problems and troubles thanks to stockings or tights. The flowers will be healthy, and you'll be able to take care of them and nurture them calmly. Take old tights. Even if they're torn, it doesn't matter. Place them on the plant. Measure the height. Take scissors and cut an appropriate piece of stocking. Put it on the flower pot. Do it from the bottom. A well-placed stocking should cover the soil. This will provide protection to the roots. Now, children or cats won't play with the soil in the flower pot. Such a cover will also ensure greater tidiness. Animals or children won't spill the soil from the flower pot anymore. Almost ordinary, but not quite ordinary eggs. Let me show you how to serve eggs in a completely new way. Start by placing a boiled egg on a piece of plastic wrap. Wrap it tightly in the plastic wrap. Next, insert a skewer along the top part of the wrapped egg and secure it with adhesive tape. Flip the egg over and insert another skewer in a similar position on the opposite side, securing it with tape as well. While attaching the skewers, remember to add extra layers of plastic wrap for reinforcement. Then insert a final skewer between the first two and wrap the egg tightly again in plastic wrap. To increase pressure and secure the ends, fasten rubber bands on both sides of the wrapped egg. Leave the prepared egg in the refrigerator for about an hour. After cooling, carefully remove the plastic wrap and skewers. You'll notice the egg has taken on an unusual shape. When sliced, the pieces will resemble delicate flowers. Use this creative method to decorate a plate in a unique and artistic way, surprising and delighting your guests with this decorative culinary touch. Drop eggshells into a blender, and your plants will thank you. Add 3 or 4 eggshells to the blender. Crushed eggshells decompose slowly in the soil, enriching it with easily absorbable calcium, which supports the development of strong roots and healthy stems. Also, add 2 small spoons of used coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are a natural and affordable way to fertilize plants. They promote healthy growth by gradually releasing nutrients that plants can utilize over time. Next, add 2 small spoons of brown sugar to encourage the growth of beneficial bacteria in the soil. The final ingredient is carrot peels, which provide organic matter that improves soil fertility by supplying minerals and vitamins that promote healthy plant growth. Blend all the ingredients thoroughly until you have a crumbly mixture. This fertilizer is ready. Spread the homemade fertilizer carefully around the roots, ensuring an even distribution of ingredients. Then, lightly mix it into the top layer of soil. Store any remaining fertilizer in an airtight container. This mix can be kept for several months. With this blend, your plants will benefit from a natural and balanced set of nutrients that enrich the soil and encourage healthier growth. Here's how to clean your artificial flowers. They'll look like new, and you won't have to buy new ones. It's worth cleaning artificial flowers, whether they're part of floral arrangements or just decorations at home. I'll show you how to do it so they look brand new. Cleaning artificial flowers doesn't require any special equipment. For plastic flowers, The easiest method is to place them in the dishwasher on a low temperature. Secure them between the racks, and after cleaning, they'll look fresh. For fabric flowers, wash them by hand. Start by dusting the petals with a large brush. Prepare a bowl of warm water with baby shampoo and a few drops of essential oil. Gently clean the petals using a toothbrush, then dry them with a towel. Immediately use cool air from a hairdryer to prevent stains. You'll have beautiful, reusable flowers. You'll never need to throw them away again. Most people make this mistake. This is only taught in floral courses, but today I'll share this trick with you. Usually you use floral foam for flower arrangements. A soaked foam provides a stable base for arrangements and gives live plants long access to water. Let me show you how to soak it properly. Prepare 2 buckets with the same amount of water. Place the same type of floral foam in each bucket. Hold one foam under the water while allowing the other to submerge itself. Then, take the foams out of the water. After removing them, cut them in half with a knife. Forcing the foam into the water creates air pockets that prevent it from soaking fully. As a result, flowers placed in such foam will wilt prematurely. The only correct method is to lay the floral foam on the water and wait for it to slowly soak and sink. The foam will float at first, but after a moment, it will almost completely submerge, changing color to dark green. Throw some matches into water. You'll be surprised by their amazing properties. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a container, then add a few matches. Gently stir the mixture, and soon you'll notice the water starting to change color. This means the sulfur is dissolving from the matches. Continue stirring for a few minutes until all the sulfur is dissolved. It may take a while. See how it should dissolve. Remove the matchsticks and use the water to water your plants. The sulfur acts as a natural fungicide, helping to fight mold and fungi, keeping your plants healthier. It also promotes root development, leading to stronger growth and better blooming. This inexpensive trick is genius. Your flowers will reward you with vibrant growth. Give it a try and watch your plants thrive like never before. Never place flowers in a vase this way again. Do you love flowers but hate it when they spread out unattractively in the vase? There's a proven method to achieve a surprising result quickly. All you need is some tape and a little patience. First, trim the flowers to the desired length that fits your bouquet. Take the vase where you want your floral arrangement. The first step is to fill the vase with water. Remember, the tape must be dry. Attach the tape across the top of the vase, marking the diameter, ensuring it is centered. Leave at least a 1 centimeter end at the edges. Then, place strips of tape along the sides, leaving a 1 centimeter gap between them to create a grid of small square openings. Once the grid is ready, place the flowers into the openings. This way, they will be arranged symmetrically, and there won't be any empty spots in the composition. Finally, you can enjoy the stunning result. The flower arrangement will stay in place and look beautiful,